Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel. It is Monday night and I am going to go through my Punta Cana kit with you guys, show you what's left over, what I'll keep, what I'll get rid of, and yeah, so that's where we are with this. And then this will be the last Punta Cana video until I go back again. So this is the kit. This is an IKEA thingamajig. They do not make this anymore, so I'm so sorry if you wanted it, but they don't make it. So let's pull out the papers that I have. I have this gold, which is a keeper. I have this map print. This is actually going to be a keeper. We're going to cut this out and put this in my Disney album for Epcot. I got these scraps. These scraps we will keep. This is a full 12 by 12 sheet. That's going to just go right on back over to my 12 by 12 sheets of paper and tuck that in there. This is the stuff, the extra stuff that's just got to get tossed in the album. I have these pineapple acetates that will go into my stash. I thought about making these as covers on both of the albums, but I don't know if do I want to do that, you guys? Tell me in the comments below if I should just, I'm not doing anything to it. I would literally punch holes and put it in the front of the album. Let me know in the comments below if I should do that with these pineapples or if I should save it for another project. Another scrap. I've got these scraps, Fun in the Sun, and some newsprint. Also have this pink dot and some white. So all of the scraps will go onto a pile so that I can have a lovely leftovers layout here shortly. So that will go in there. I do have my letter stickers. So a lot of letters still in this one. Not a whole lot of vowels left, but these will all be keeps. These will just go back in. I'm just going to put them in while I'm talking to you guys, because you know what? Why not? And we're getting stuff put away, right? Right. So those are all keep. So those are going into the stash, which, there we go. They're in the letter sticker stash. Then we have this. These, I'm going to throw these little guys away. They're going into the bin. Okay, so then we'll go through these. Don't you love my robe? It's so cozy. Okay, so I have these hearts. They're going to be a keep. These will be a keep. I will probably consolidate these down onto the brads because you know that's how I do. And then let's go through these guys, and that's going to go on my thingamajig. And we will do a keep versus toss on this. So I've got these puffy flowers, the word sun. So this is the stuff I'm getting rid of. This is the stuff I will keep. There's so many of these birds, you guys. I hate that one. I just hate that shell. Like, it's not, more of those, just beachy. Keep that. I like that one. That's like a trash piece. Gotta keep the pineapple. Another pineapple. Another little weirdo bird. Okay, these are ones I am not keeping, so we'll get rid of those. And then, let's see what else I got. Got these letter stickers. These are obviously a keep. These will go into my stash. These dies, definitely a keep. This ticket piece. Oh, I actually have a layout ready to go for tomorrow, so I'm going to put that with that because that'll go perfect. Okay. Then I have all of my MK some assemblage required thingamabobs. These are beachy and aquarium themed, underwater themed. Like this says a day at the aquarium. I obviously did not go to the aquarium in Punta Cana, but I think I used other things. So these will all are keep. They will go into my MK pile. I've got some rhinestone stickers, surf and sand and summer. Those will stay. And then that can be trash. Honestly, I think this sticker book is not going to be kept. I'll keep that. Not going to keep those. Not going to keep those. I'll keep the word stickers because I'm a fan. Oh, I really like these. And then the letter stickers. So we'll keep those. This is going to go because I won't be using it. Okay. This is a stamp set and thing cuts that will be kept because I still love it. Okay. I've got some stickers. That's a piece of basic gray. Put that for the layout for tomorrow because I think it will go. So these stickers will be a keep. I've got this metallic paper will be a keep. Here are the stamps that go with the coordinating dies. So those will have to be put together and put away. Got some word stickers, that's a keep. These puffy stickers will be a keep. This is just scraps. What else? I've got these washies. I'm going to use these on the layout tomorrow, and whatever I don't use will go. I'm really disappointed in these stickers. These gold stickers, look at that. They're just gone. So I'm going to get rid of them because I am super disappointed in them. I've got a couple of enamel dots. Those will be for tomorrow's layout too. We've got those. And then one more flamingo, and I'll keep the flamingo, so that'll go away. Nothing else there. Got some fun foam. We'll put that in tomorrow's layout too because it needs some. Okay, now we're getting to the end here. So some of this is actually not from the kit. Some of this is me being lazy and putting things in to just pop them in there. So this is a stamp set. This is obviously a keep. I used every single one of these stamps in the album, so that was exciting. This is a ribbon, so that's a keep. These are stamps that, there's those stupid birds again. Ugh, and they're sticking. Okay, they're going in the bin. These are things that just need to be put away because they were just tucked in there. So that's not part of the kit, but you know, we'll get those put away. I have one of these guys left from MK Shop. All of my washi tapes will be keeps. I did not use them all up, but that is okay. So all of those will be keeps. So I'm just going to put them back into their place here on I was like, where'd the blues go? But that's on the bottom. Okay. I have another ribbon that will be a keep that I will put in my ribbon thing. So these two ribbons. And then, what is this? A shell. I like that shell. I'll keep that shell. This is with stuff that needs to be put away. And one more of those guys. So that is going to do it. I got a little sliver of trash. That is going to do it. The kit is empty. I'm going to sneeze, maybe. So that's what I have left. Like I said, this stuff will be put away. Let's be honest, not tonight. I closed at work tonight, so Christopher poured me a glass of wine, and I'm going to go down and eat dinner, and then go to bed. So this is not going to happen today. But, guys, please, let me know if you think I should punch holes in this and just put them in the front of the album. Just, I really would really like to know, because I'm not exactly sure. But that is what is left. Those are the products that I have left over. Yeah, I'm really happy with how I used this kit. I'm really happy with the products that I ended up using up. I am okay with the products that I am getting rid of. They're not things that I will use, like all those seagulls. I'm not going to scrapbook about seagulls. They're not important to me. So they're not important for me to save. So yeah, that is going to be it. The last Punta Cana video for a hot minute, you guys. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for coming along with me on this journey to get Punta Cana finished. And yeah, upcoming things on the channel every Thursday in November is Thankful Thursday. Hashtag Thankful Thurs. Have a great group of people participating in that. If you want to participate in it, I would love it. I'd love to see your videos. And yeah, December's coming up. So the December project is coming up. I mean, let's be real. I had to get the Punta Cana kit out of there so I would have a place to put my December stuff. So yeah, that's all I've got to say about that. I am in my nice new cozy robe and I'm gonna head downstairs with my husband, have some dinner, hang out for a hot minute, and that is all she wrote, folks. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys again real soon for another video.